Stress, anxiety, depression. These are some of the common words we are hearing in our day-to-day life, right? Moreover, study shows that 1 in 10 people are affected by depression. Also, researchers proves that in coming years, this depression may become a very serious killing disease. Now you may ask, is this depression so deadly, so serious? Can't it be treated? The answer for this is, it can be easily treated if it is detected in its early phase. It can be easily treated by behavioral changes, some lifestyle changes in its early phase. Whereas if it goes to its extreme end, it has to be treated by therapies and medications. We psychotherapists normally give talk therapy, hypnotherapy, behavioral therapy to cure in later stages, in its advanced stages. But always, prevention is better than cure, right? And so, in this video, we are going to see some easy techniques to cure depression in its early stages. Shall we go into the video? In this video, we are going to see what is depression, its types, how it's caused, what are its symptoms, and how it can be cured in its initial stages. Now, let us see what is depression. Depression is initially just a down feeling or having a bad day, and as it builds up in due course, it may lead to mental disorder. It affects the way we feel, the way we think, and the way we act. It can lead to a variety of emotional and physical problems and can decrease our ability to function normally. Well, now let us see what causes depression. The exact cause of depression is unknown, but studies says that it may be caused due to combination of genetic, biological, environment and psychological factors. The following may be some of the probable factors which may increase the chances of becoming depressed. Experiencing traumatic or stressful events such as death of a loved one or financial problem, going through a major life change, having a medical problem such as cancer, stroke or chronic pain, or maybe due to having blood relatives who had depression. Now, let's see the symptoms of depression. The people who are affected by depression may likely to have a depressed mood, loss of interest, decreased energy, increased fatigue, feeling of guilt, low self-worth, disturbed sleep, appetite, and poor concentration, anxiety. At its worst, depression can also lead to suicide. Let's now see the types of depression. Depending on the severity of symptoms, depression can be categorized as mild, moderate, or severe. Mild and moderate can be cured by ourselves. However, severity must be treated through therapists or medications. Now, let's see the simple techniques to treat mild and moderate depression in its initial stage itself. The first technique is mind shift therapy, wherein the way we look at ourselves, about others, about the world need to be changed. We normally get depressed by seeing all the problems coming into our life. However, instead of seeing the problems as issues, we need to perceive the problems as an opportunity to grow and move to the next level. We should challenge our negativity and bring in a positive approach in whatever endeavors we do. And secondly, we normally tend to be depressed when our expectations are not met, maybe in personal or professional life. Hence, to avoid this, we need to avoid expecting. Put your 100% efforts, hard work, and do your best, and leave the rest to God, and don't expect. Everything happens as per God's plan. Trust the process. By following the above mind shift, we can easily cure depression in the early phase itself. The second important technique to cure depression is adopting few lifestyle changes. Try doing the following modification in your lifestyle. The first one is exercise. Moving and stretching our body instantaneously boosts a feel-good chemical called endorphin, and these endorphin trigger a positive feeling in the body and brain. Studies shows that exercising regularly has long-term benefits for people with depression. The second lifestyle change is meditation. When it comes to holistic way to treat depression, meditation is very effective. Meditating is as simple as sitting quietly, breathing evenly, and becoming more aware of our surroundings. It helps to focus on the present moment and not something about past or future that makes us to worry. The third lifestyle change is our eating pattern. It's a proven fact that diet is associated with mood. We are what we eat. Thus, consuming large amount of sugar, processed food, and other unhealthy options can definitely add to the symptoms of depression. Thus, by altering our diet, we can improve our mood and reduce the depression. The next important factor is rest. Sleep disorders are considered as a core symptom of depression. Thus, maintaining a healthy sleep schedule might improve our symptoms of depression. So, maintain healthy sleep habits. A deep, restful sleep refreshes our mind and body and moves the depression away. Finally, try to have fun in all that you do. If you're depressed, make time for things that you enjoy. Make time to unplug from work, technology, and general business of every day. Think about what makes you feel most relaxed, such as fishing, gardening, reading, or spending time with family and friends. Whatever it is, try to do more often. Thus, we can conclude that by following simple mind shift and lifestyle changes, we can cure depression in the initial phase itself.
Hope you got a better understanding of depression. What is depression? What are the symptoms? How it is caused? How it can be cured in the early phases. Thus, by making some remarkable changes in our mindset, in our behavior, in our lifestyle, for sure we can cure this depression in the early phases. However, if it crosses some extreme level, it has to be treated by therapies. So, henceforth, be happy, live happily, don't overthink, don't put everything in your mind. And moreover, nothing is permanent, good or bad, all situations are going to change. So, live a happy life, lead a happy life, enjoy your life. Life is meant to enjoy and live happily. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, please do share and subscribe. This is Devi Nyanashekhar signing off. Thank you and thanks for watching.